And ever found yourself wishing you could earn money just by browsing TikTok? If you're like most people, you're always on the lookout for ways to make a little extra cash. Whether it's to save for that dream vacation, pay off student loans, or just to have a bit more spending money, who wouldn't want more cash in their pocket? But here's the problem. Many of the opportunities out there require a significant investment of time or money. And let's be honest, not everyone has the luxury of either. You might be a student juggling classes and part-time work, a busy parent, or simply someone who values their free time. So, how can you make extra money without sacrificing your precious time or hard-earned cash? Is it even possible? The answer is a resounding yes. You're not alone in this quest for easy, fast money, and today we have an exciting solution for you. So, is it really possible to earn just by watching TikTok videos? You bet it is. The solution is as unorthodox as it is brilliant. There are platforms out there that reward users for engaging with TikTok content. Let's break it down. These platforms work on a simple principle. They need users to engage with content to drive up the views, likes, shares, and comments. In essence, it's all about creating a buzz. And as we all know, buzz translates into more visibility, more popularity, and ultimately more revenue for the content creators. But where do you come in? Well, you're the one creating that buzz. By watching and engaging with TikTok videos, you're driving up the content's value, and for that, these platforms are willing to pay. It's a win-win situation. You're making money while enjoying your favorite TikToks, and the platforms are getting the engagement they need. Now you might be thinking, hold on, is this for real? Absolutely, this isn't some pie-in-the-sky idea. These platforms are legit and have been used by thousands of people worldwide to earn some extra cash. And the best part? It's completely free. You don't have to shell out a dime to start earning. The concept is simple. You sign up, you watch, you engage, and you earn. It's a breeze. And it's not just limited to watching videos. You can also earn by liking, sharing, and commenting on videos. The more you engage, the higher your earnings. And remember, this isn't about replacing your day job. It's about making a little extra on the side, all while doing something you already do, scrolling through TikTok. It's about turning your downtime into dollars, your pastime into paychecks. So there you have it, folks. A way to earn money by simply watching TikTok videos. It's unorthodox, it's fun, and it's totally doable. That's right, you can get paid for doing something you already love, scrolling through TikTok. If you're still skeptical, don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from real people who have used this method and have seen real results. Meet Jake, a college student from Ohio, who was looking for ways to make extra money in his spare time. He stumbled upon this video, decided to give it a shot, and within a week, he was making over $20 a day from simply watching TikTok videos. Here's what Jake had to say. I was a bit skeptical at first, but I gave it a try. It was surprisingly easy, and the best part is I'm earning while doing something I enjoy. But Jake's not the only one. We've received countless messages from viewers who have tried this method and are now making a steady stream of income. Like Sarah from Texas, who told us, I'm a stay-at-home mom and this method has been a game changer for me. It's flexible, fun, and the extra income is a big help. To give you an even clearer picture, let's show you some solid proof. Here's a screenshot of an earnings dashboard from one of our users. As you can see, they've earned over $400 in just 1 week. That's more than $50 a day just for watching TikTok videos, and it doesn't stop there. Check out this payment confirmation email from another user who cashed out their earnings. It's not just numbers on a screen, this is actual money that's landed in their bank account. These are real people just like you who were once skeptical but decided to give it a shot, and look where they are now, earning a significant income just by watching and engaging with TikTok videos. The beauty of this method is that it's not limited to a certain group of people. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or anyone looking for an easy way to make some extra cash, this could be the solution for you. Real people are making real money with this method, and you could be next. So what are you waiting for? Give it a shot and see the results for yourself. So, how can you start earning with this method? It's easier than you might think. Just follow these straightforward steps and you'll be on your way to start making money by watching TikTok videos. Step 1, the first thing you need to do is sign up for a rewards platform that pays users for watching TikTok videos. There are several platforms out there, so do your research and find the one that suits you best. Look for a platform that is reputable, secure, and offers a good payout rate. Step 2. Once you've signed up, it's time to start watching and engaging with content on TikTok. This is the fun part. You can spend your time watching dance challenges, viral pranks, or whatever else you enjoy on TikTok. The key is to engage with the content, like share, comment, whatever the platform requires. The more engaged you are, the more you can earn. Step 3. Now this is where the magic happens. As you watch and engage with videos, you'll start to accumulate rewards on your platform of choice. These rewards can then be redeemed for real money. The exact process for redemption will vary depending on the platform, but usually you can choose from a variety of payment options, including direct deposit, PayPal, or even gift cards. A few things to keep in mind as you go through these steps. First, make sure you're genuinely engaging with the videos. Don't just mindlessly click through them. The platforms are smart, and they can tell if you're actually watching and engaging or just trying to game the system. Second, be patient. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. It might take a while to accumulate enough rewards to cash out, but if you're consistent, it can definitely add up. Finally, have fun with it. After all, you're getting paid to watch TikTok videos. That's pretty cool, right? So enjoy the process. Find videos that make you laugh, inspire you, or teach you something new. The more you enjoy the process, the more likely you are to stick with it and see the rewards. And just like that, you're on your way to earning money while enjoying TikTok. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So take that first step today. Sign up for a rewards platform, start watching and engaging with TikTok videos, and watch the rewards start to roll in. As always, stay inspired and keep hustling. You've got this. Ready to turn your TikTok addiction into a money-making machine? You've seen the proof, heard the testimonials, and now it's your turn to take action. It's time to flip the script and convert those endless hours of scrolling into a steady income stream. Just imagine, instead of merely passing time, you're actually earning from it. You're not just a passive viewer anymore, but an active earner. All from the comfort of your home or wherever you choose to be, and the best part, it's absolutely free to start. No hidden fees, no tricky signups, just pure, simple earnings. Now, don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Like any great opportunity, the early birds get the biggest rewards. So don't wait until tomorrow or next week. Start today, right now. Click the link in the description below. That's all it takes to embark on this exciting journey. Once you do, you'll be directed to the rewards platform where you can start earning simply by watching and engaging with TikTok videos. And here's a bonus tip: the more you engage, the more you earn. So don't be shy. Comment, like, share. Remember, every action brings you closer to your next payout, but what's next after you've started earning? Well, the sky's the limit. Use your earnings to fund your dreams. Whether you're saving up for that dream vacation, working towards financial independence, or simply looking to earn some extra cash, this method has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, start earning, and transform your TikTok habit into a profitable venture. Don't forget to subscribe to Inspire Ignite for more money-making tips and tricks. We're always here, ready to guide you in your journey towards financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling and inspiring.